Hello Year 7 and welcome back to your final lesson of English this week. You are going to be needing everything you've learned about genre so far, so if you need to have a quick look back, now is the time to do it. The first thing I'd like you to do is finish this mind map. So everything that you associate with the genre of fairy tales. I've started off with a couple of ideas for you, the idea of a happily ever after and the fact there are castles involved. So try to add at least 5 more things to this mind map. Okay, so today your main task is to rewrite a classic fairy tale and give it a bit of a twist. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to choose one fairy tale from the grid on the left and one genre from the grid on the right. Once you have done that, move on to the next slide. So once you have chosen your fairy tale and you've chosen your genre, your job is to rewrite that story. So, for example, you might end up writing a sci-fi Cinderella story or a horror Little Red Riding story. You're going to need to think really creatively about how you could alter what we already know and change it into a different genre. You are to write no more than 100 words, which means you're going to need to think really, really carefully about the kind of language you use, the kind of images you use to show us that the genre has changed. Okay, you're going to try and make the biggest impact you can with not many words at all. Once you've finished, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to choose 2 examples from your writing that show how you have altered the fairy tale to fit the new genre. So highlight them, underline them, make it nice and clear exactly what it is you have done. That's it for English this week, and I will see you again next week. Enjoy your weekend.